Hi everyone, I want to give you guys few tips that you will need when trying to lose weight. It is easy, it's what you do, but you don't do it consistently, or you don't know the importance of it. Okay, let us continue. I'm going to advise you to drink a lot of water. I know so many people tell you this, but you don't see it so important. But yes, it is very important to drink water. Take it morning, take it night, drink it whenever you feel hungry, drink it before meal. It's important. It helps flushes it helps flushes your system. It helps stabilize you. Not that, I don't know, but I'll just advise you drink water anyway. The next thing I will tell you is drink green tea. This is what I've been having for a long while. I don't know if you can see it. Legend, take it. What I do is I make green tea in the morning. I even make some, put it in my flask and take it to work. I have this little hot water flask that I take to work. It helps me because I do intermittent fasting almost every day or every other day, and I use green tea mostly 30 minutes after I finish eating. I don't drink green tea before I eat. When I wake up in the morning, I take green tea. Yes, I take it on an empty stomach before I go to work. Then at work, probably around 1 or 2, when I know I'm having my lunch break, then I'll eat my meal, wait for 30 minutes or 1 hour, then I take my green tea. I don't know, kind of like will I say the green tea helps to break down the food faster for me. That's how I feel. Makes me feel lighter in no time, and keeps hunger away from me. I don't feel hungry whenever I take the green tea. Like when I come back home, also when I'm done eating before I sleep, I take my green tea. I'll also advise you, when you're drinking your water, you should add lemon. Just a tablespoon of lemon will do you good. If I'm taking water that I bought from work, that I bought at work, no need to take lemon because I didn't bring lemon from home. I'll take it like that. But when I'm home and I know that yes, I can take, I'll just buy it. In my local market here, lemon is 50 naira. Sometimes when things start increasing, it becomes 100 naira. It's not so much that I would say don't do. Take it, mix it in your water. It will do a lot. These minor changes, I call it minor, but it helps. It really helps you to lose weight. When you add all these things you're doing together, you will notice that you don't even need to stress yourself to exercise and lose the weight. Exercising is good, but some little changes that you have to add to make it work. Okay, for instance, now you decide to exercise. You're exercising, let me say like 20 to 30 minutes every day, and then you are eating akpu, gari, egusi soup. You sit down and eat everything, the full plate, the way we usually eat here. Then the next day you climb scale, auntie, or your is your case. Nothing will work, it will not work. But when you change your lifestyle or cut what you're eating, reduce portion, take green tea, take apple cider vinegar, take all these things would help you. When you put them together, it's not just to lose weight. No, that's what I have noticed. Since I started keto diet, I don't fall sick. In fact, I haven't fallen ill. No, I feel good inside. Even when I urinate, I feel better. When I stool, it's okay. I sleep even better. So what will you trade to have a good health? Really, if I would trade eating so many junks to have a good health, I would do it. All my life while growing up, I've been eating starchy food. Then if they tell me starchy food, carbs and all whatnot, then if they tell me to reduce carbs and gain good health, and look younger. Ha! Won't you do it, auntie? I will choose to do it. Oh, I will do it. Continue like this for the rest of your life. Right now, I don't know, but I know that if I decide to add some little changes to my lifestyle, I'm going to do it gradually. Like, if I'm craving for rice, I'll just buy the basmati rice and use. I'll just try little things, because the main thing is not just losing weight but living a healthy lifestyle. If for the past 2 to 3 months that I've been doing keto and I've not gone to the hospital for checkup or for anything and I feel great, what do I want? If I can stay like this for years and I'm helping other people too and they are healthy, what else do we want? Okay, that being said, I know you guys might feel like it's very little that I said today, but a little difference made can create big changes tomorrow. That is what I want to assure you guys. That is what I am leaving with you guys today. So if you do like this video, don't forget to comment. Give it a huge thumbs up. It will help me to know that you like my video and you're supporting me. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please hit the notification bell. Hit the red button and the notification bell beside it. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.